Hello then, my good friends of YouTube. Today I'm going to be telling you about this, which is basically that stripped down and down to this. Now isn't that just absolutely one beautiful transformer? I mean, I am absolutely over the moon with how these transformers look. I do certainly like my transformers, and this superb X-ray transformer, dental head X-ray transformer. This is one of the high voltage outputs. I've just basically put that bit of insulation just around that area just there. I'm not going to be running this particular one, because I've got two of these, and I'm not going to be running this one on full power. This is just for what I'm going to connect up to a AC small power supply, 240 volts in and around about 30-40 volts out, so I can basically run this when I'm in the house and don't have to be messing around with oil everywhere. Yeah, I'll give you a run round it. This is the input, the AC input. It is a lovely looking transformer. Looks like two donuts, two lovely sweet donuts. And this is the filament output. This is the high voltage, and a high voltage output as well. And then of course it goes to ground, which is ground just there at the bottom. Can you see that? Looks like a snake skin, doesn't it? Of some sort of leather. So yeah, that's what that looks like, just there. So I've taken all those bits off, stripped it all down and got it to this, which I do think looks better. I mean, I could submerge that into oil and reuse that. I mean, it's not a problem. I've just basically cleaned it up and dried it off as much as I could to get the oil off. So I tell you something, guys, that oil gets everywhere. It does. So, going to this, I've I've connected up that voltage doubler from the solid state X-ray head. You know, if you remember the one from one of my previous videos where I'd stripped the dental machine down, and it didn't have a transformer in it like that. It had a flyback transformer in it. And this particular circuit here is a full wave doubler, so not a half wave, a full wave. And there's 24 capacitors on that, and a shitload of bloody diodes, high voltage diodes. So I've connected it up to this particular transformer, this X-ray transformer, which is I think it's a 65 kV output. I think it's 65, something like that. And I've just got it to that little spark gap just there, so I'll crank it up and show you. So I'll double check nothing's need to stick them just over that. I don't want a particular wire to give me any corona. Let's make sure that's out of the way. There we go. Right, everything's safe that I can see. Right. A little bit of a coach there just to get it going. I'm only putting 50 volts into it. That's about an inch, that gap. Smell of Corona. Pretty good, eh? Not bad. I thought I'd wire it up because one of my friends pointed out, is that a Marx generator there in the background? And yes, it was. So I've wired it up for you, and there you go, that's the outcome. Bit of a doubler there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care of yourselves. Be safe. We'll speak again.